Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Qiyas ar-Rahman 1004, 8 August 2025. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Allah Azza Jalla said, and I, Allah, will send you assistance, yet they will still accuse you based on your message. See, if they come to you with slander, read my message to them and search for the error in it. If they act unjustly and suffer, know that I, Allah, have the power to turn their heart away from the truth. They will never find it in my message. My punishment will be widespread. Do not fear that my message will not save my servants. I, Allah, will protect you.